Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 16th of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. Just double checking that I have everything. Seems like I do. And yeah, my internet's a little bit slow. I don't know why. But yeah, I could click on feeling lucky. I feel a little lucky. I feel great. Let's make it a little smaller. It's like, alright, but today's farm is Pascal's Triangle 2. What's the second one about? I don't know, but we'll take a look. But it's a easy problem supposedly, so we'll probably get it done pretty quickly. I am leaving for the airport pretty soon, so this is my goodbye to Taipei, but also maybe I'll put in a drone video, but maybe afterwards. I don't know. Don't want to get in trouble with the government. But yeah. So I'm not going to go that deeply into it, but this is a straightforward, you could say, dynamic programming and all these things. And actually, row index being less than 33 means, what does that mean, right? That means you can actually play around with different things with the the identities that are part of the Pascal triangle. I mean, the most prominent one that I'm thinking about is n choose r, right? And this is one of those problems that yeah, I was going to say one of these problems that may look like the number gets big, but I'm showing you in other languages because in Python it doesn't come up. In C++, this is an int, and in Java, this is also an int for obvious reasons, maybe. Or integer. And what I mean by that is that because the input, it only goes up to 33, which seems big, but it turns out that the ith row of the Pascal triangle is just going to be sum up to 2 to the I, right? Or depending on how you count the first index, maybe it's 2 to the I plus 1 or something. But either way, it's like 2 as a power of 2, so this is going to be good enough as a result. So yeah. Yeah, and we can definitely use row of index extra space for sure. Yeah, so zero is equal to 1, then for the maybe -1, I think. I could be wrong, right? Oops. I don't know why I got it. Why did I write it? The first row would have one item, right? Okay, so then it's just R of I, right? Something like that. I'm trying to like, I'm trying to be a little bit clever. I don't know if this works, to be honest. No, not quite. Oh, but that's just because my row index is weird, maybe. Nope. Okay, well, a couple of weird things here. Huh. What am I doing wrong? Oh, I only get the first part right. Because I was thinking, because I was being lazy on the space optimization, but I guess this isn't quite right. Right. Why isn't this right? I'm thinking, because basically I'm just trying to shortcut this a little bit, and it's easy, so I'm just playing around. Basically you have 1, and then you have 1, 1, right? So then now it's a little bit off, and then 1, 2, 1, and then 1, 3, 3, 1. So basically what I was trying to do is for every cell, this is just a combination of tier and, oh no, it's not this one, it's these two. Whoops. Okay. I think I was thinking of the other problem. Or maybe you could construct it in that this is the right idea, but I think that's on the diagonal, not on this thing. So I'm just being very silly. But yeah, we can just use two 2 rows instead, for sure. What did I click on? So let's do it that way. I was just being lazy. So okay, fine. So previous is equal to, right? Or maybe even something like you have 2 items, right? So then now you have current is equal to R of 0, previous is equal to R sub 1, right? Something like that. And then why am I so bad today? I think I'm just trying to be too clever, to be frank. Current sub 0 is equal to 1, right? Or previous of 0 is equal to 1. So then now we have this thing. I think this is off by 1. I think this is this bit. But yeah, and then now current sub I is equal to previous sub I plus previous I minus 1, right? Yeah, and current sub 0 is equal to previous sub 0. And that's the idea, and then now you have current is equal to prev, and then you swap them, but well, not like that, that's not a swap. And then what else am I doing? There's another thing that I'm doing, right? I need to reset this. Oh no, setting the current should be good enough. Oops, that's what I was doing weirdly. Oh, right, and then that's not it. What am I doing wrong? Am I being a silly goose? I mean, I think this is right, but what am I? Oh, I see. It's because we're returning current after the swap. Okay, yeah, I was wondering why. But I think the cleaner way to write is actually to set the current is equal to this, and then we swap it before, maybe. Right? And then now we return current. That's what I meant to do. All right, cool. Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of ways you can write this space optimization, and I'm just trying to play around with different way today. Hope that was okay. Yeah, I mean, this is hopefully no one is struggling with this one. That I have to explain too much, but basically the principle is just, they don't actually tell. They don't tell you that much other than kind of give you the visualization. But I think the visualization is good enough, especially if you are wanting to do well. This is a very core part of your studies, if you will. So I hope you do that there. Yeah. Where was I last? Where was this? Anyway, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.